how to redirect HTTP to HTTPS in GoDaddy. So this is very easy. All we need to do is log into the GoDaddy website, click on your name in the top right corner, and then go into My Products. So here from the products page, we want to find the domain which we want to redirect from HTTP to HTTPS. Find it and click on DNS next to it. So from here, what we have to do is go into the forwarding section, find domain and click on add forwarding. And here we will see HTTP. We want to click on this drop down menu and select HTTPS and type your domain name. So that's going to be this for me. Now we can just click on save, and that's how you redirect from HTTP to HTTPS. It can take up to 48 hours, however, in order to take effect. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.